We at Everything About Health know that you love to learn new techniques to protect your health. And it's even better if they help you lose weight. So today we present something new. Retro running. A discipline that is gaining more and more followers in the world. What is it about? Nothing more than running backward. This is a very effective and intense training method. It reduces the risk of injury in the back and legs and helps achieve a stronger and more balanced lower body. Why is it so good for losing weight? Being a complete cardiovascular exercise. It not only burns a lot of calories, but also becomes a full workout as you exercise more muscle groups. Especially the quadriceps. Just to give you an idea. 100 steps backward walking is equivalent to 1,000 steps conventional walking. And 1 lap on a track backward is the equivalent of 6 laps running forward. You get your desired calorie burn while saving your precious time. Sounds great, right? Here are the benefits of running backward. Tones the legs and muscles. Retro running strengthens your muscles without putting a lot of pressure on the knees. It also helps you develop the muscles opposite to your regular running muscle group, including your shins, calves, and quads. Prevents injuries and rehabilitates your knees. When you run forward, you continuously make repetitions of the same action, which can lead to a dangerous imbalance and chronic knee problems. Running backward reduces the aggressive impact on the knees and improves the balance between opposing muscle groups. Not only can it increase your performance, but it can also reduce your risk of injury. Develops peripheral vision and balance. Running backward helps increase peripheral vision and balance, since you can't see what is in front of you, and develops other senses like hearing. It's good for your brain. Changing your workout routine and moving your muscles in opposite directions makes your brain think and react differently. Improves your posture. When you run backward, you naturally keep your back straight as you move. Retro running also helps ease lower back pain caused by a slouched posture while running forward. Strengthens your abs. Straight back and strong abs, it all works hand in hand. When you run with a straighter posture, your abdominal muscles do the work. General recommendations. If you're going to try retro running, it is recommended that you start on a running track or a circuit you know well. Lane lines will guide you. If you are thinking about jogging on asphalt, the best is a circuit with visual guidance on the ground, road surface markings. If you're not very excited about getting some strange looks, or you don't have an opportunity to run outside, you can do it on your treadmill.